Cleaning the data obtained from the databases of World Bank and International Monetary Fund is tedious, time-consuming, and energy-sapping, and it can lead to making mistakes. To avoid this, we developed some macros using VBA, that is Visual Basic for Applications, to automate the process of cleaning the data. Let us start by cleaning the data we obtained from the World Bank using the macros. Open your browser, go to our GitHub repository. We have provided this link in the description section of this video. You can either copy the raw file or download it. We have already downloaded and saved it in Smarty Academy folder, so we don't need to do it again. We open the macro file, which is a text file. Ctrl A to highlight, Ctrl C to copy. We then open our World Bank data. We go to developer. If you don't have this tab available on your menu bar, you go to File, Options, Customize a ribbon. Come down here. If the developer option is unchecked, then check it and press OK. If it is not available here, you go to this drop down menu, choose all tabs. You will see developer, then click Add to bring it here. Press OK to continue. Now that we have developer option available on our menu bar, we go to developer, Visual Basic, Insert, Module. We then paste the macros from our text file, Ctrl V. Then we close. After doing this, we will see that we have macros available. This includes IMF annual series down to WB time series. WB stands for World Bank, IMF stands for International Monetary Fund. We should always make sure that our data sheet is active, or the sheet we want to store the data from is the one active. Then we go to macros. If you want to create a cross-section data, we run the cross-section macro. Click on it, run. We choose the year we want to get the data for. For example, 1990. Click OK. Processing cross-section data completed successfully. Click OK. We confirm this is our cross-section data. This is exactly the same as the one we created in our previous video. If you want to create the time series data, we also go back to macro. Click on WB time series. Click Run. Processing time series data completed successfully. We will see that we have all the 4 countries. We now have a data set for each country, for Nigeria, Ghana, Benin, and Togo. We can also create the panel data for the macro. We go to Data tab, then we go to Macros, click on WB panel, run it to create the panel data. Processing panel data completed successfully. We check the panel data set here. We see that we have the panel data of all the 4 countries created automatically. This is automating all the process we covered in our last videos. We can close the work file. Because of the macros we added to this work file, we need to save it in a different format than the original format of Excel. We can now clean the IMF data using the same procedure. We also go to the developer tab, Visual Basic, Insert, Module, Windows key plus V to open the clipboard. Click on this to paste. We close. Make sure that your monthly sheet is active. That is the tab which contains both the annual, quarterly, and monthly data set. Then we go to our macros. If you want to create the annual series, we click on IMF annual series, then run. We now have the annual series created. We will see that the date contains only annual series. We go back to the monthly tab, go to macro, create monthly series, run. We have now created the monthly series. The data now contains only monthly series. If you want to create the quarterly series, we go back to monthly tab, go to macro, IMF quarterly series, run. We now have the quarterly data set. If you look at the date, it contains only the quarterly series. In short, we have shown how to use Excel macros to automate the data cleaning for both the data we downloaded from the World Bank and International Monetary Fund. This is time consuming and you can make mistakes by copying and pasting the macros from the text file to the Excel book. If you want to keep the macros available on the current Excel, you need to go to File, Save As, choose the folder and select Excel Macro Enable Workbook. Click Save. Now you have your macros available in this Excel book. In our next video, we will see how to use Excel add-in to avoid copying and pasting the macros from the text file to Excel. See you in our next video. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening. We welcome any comments that can improve the services of Smarty Academy. Remember that together we can do anything. If you enjoyed this video and want more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notification on